How to become a Capcut video editor in 4 simple steps. So the first one is to import your video. The second one is to cut it, trim it, arrange it, and the third one is to do auto capturing if it's necessary or is needed. The fourth one is to add background sound of music and export if it is necessary. So let's go straight to CapCut and I'll show you the steps. So when you come to CapCut here, you will see this interface. There are a lot of things here you can study, but our focus here is on the new project. So you click on the new project. So you locate the video that you want to edit. Click on add. Now this is the process of importing the video or the footage into the designing platform, or what is called timeline. All right, so this is where you are now. So the first thing to do here is to play what you have imported and then start basic editing.
Hello, my lovely people.
Now the basic editing is cutting. After you have imported, the basic editing is cutting. The first thing you check is to know that your video started where you want it to start. Let's assume that this video did not start where we want it, but this video actually started where we want it.
Hello, my
But
lovely
sometimes
people.
you may be doing a video and it didn't start where you want to start it, then you cut. So there are there are three ways to cut. You can cut from the beginning if the video started at the wrong place. You can cut from the beginning. You can also cut from the end. As you can see, this video ended very well, but sometimes your video might not end well, it might not begin well, so there's need for cutting. But you should always ensure that your videos doesn't need cutting. But in case it needs cutting, I will show you how to cut it. Let's assume that I want to cut this first part. I don't want to cut it, but let's assume I want to cut it. For you to cut this video, you have to touch it. What we have here is you have edit, you have audio, you have text, you have effect. When I touch the video, you will now see that you now have split speed. Let me remove it. If it's like this, you will see edit, audio, text. But when you touch the video, it changes. The tools, these are tools, it changes to split. Now when you change it to split, you click on split. Now you have splitted it. When you have splitted it, you want to remove this, you now click here, then you now click delete. See, all these ones will go. Once you click on delete, all these ones will go. Have you seen it? They have gone. When you make a mistake and you don't know where you are going again, please come here and click undo. That is, whatever you have done, you undo it. And it's very important you understand this undo and redo. Alright, this is redo. Alright, what did I do? I deleted it. So I have splitted it and I have deleted it. So that one is called cutting. That means you have cut out that one. So the process of cutting is the process of cutting is that first of all you need to touch the video from the timeline. That's the first step. Second step, you click on split, you split it. Then the third step, you click on the part that I want to delete, click on it, and then the last step, you now click delete, and that part will go. Right, so you have learned how to import, you have learned how to cut. And I said that how to cut is you will touch it first. And when you touch it, you will see split. You click on split and it will split. You now click on the part that you want to cut out and it will highlight the delete, and you click on delete, it will go. So you can watch the video again so you will see the process of cutting. Okay, so now you have learned cutting. Now the next thing, this cutting can happen at the beginning, it can also happen at the end. All right. So when you have learned cutting, the next thing you will want to learn is you may want to learn maybe because there's noise here. There's noise.
Hello, my lovely people. Your girl is the producer of League of.
You may want to reduce this noise a bit. You go to reduce noise. You see reduce noise. When you touch it, you go to reduce noise and then you click on reduce noise.
So we just completed our production
Reduce.
yesterday, and I'm packaging
In most cases,
all
not
these.
completely.
I'm leaving it to
Remember, this noise removal, it means it's noise reduction. It's not removal, it's to reduce the noise. And let's check it.
Ajegunle, Apapa, Lagos,
Have you seen
Festac,
how it
Lagos,
is? If you bring it back,
in Aba, and
if you
we
bring
have
it back,
2 moms that
you will
ordered
see
the
that the
bulb,
noise,
one in Abuja, one in Nnewi.
if you apply the noise reduction,
Hello, my
you will
lovely
notice
people.
that the
It's your
noise
girl,
is
the
reduced.
special of the special
So it's
food,
very,
the
very, a very,
producer
very
of
important
League of
feature.
Bravo. So we just
So I've shown you how to reduce the noise. Whatever you want to do on this video, the basic rule is that you must touch the video like this and you must highlight. Just like even when you're editing in Microsoft Word, you must highlight. So when you touch it, it will highlight. And then you select whatever you want here. Select whatever you want here. You see other things here on your own. You will try to learn them, right? So I've shown you how to cut. I've also shown you how to work on the noise if there's noise there. Most times you may not even need these features, but in a situation where you need them, you know what to do. The next thing is auto caption. Auto caption is you want to write up.
Hello, my lovely
You
people.
want
It's your
write up
girl, the
this
special
thing that
of
is
the
being
special
said
food,
now.
the producers of
You want
League
it
of Bravo.
to also be written here as is being said, and you don't want to be typing it because that's going to be very, very long. It's called transcription. You don't want to like transcript this thing. You want it to be done automatically for you. So what do you do? So it's important for you to know that the way they built this app, the auto caption is built inside text. So if you want to get auto caption, uh, instead of highlighting it, what you will do is you come to text and click text. When you click on text, you just move after add text, text template, sticker. The next one is auto captions. You click on auto captions. Now when you click on auto captions, you have to wait a little bit. This thing is so intelligent. He will take time to read all these things and then convert these words to text. That's what is called auto capture. Automatically, transcribe everything that was being said. Right? There are so many templates here you can use. Let's do the basic one, which is to generate. You click on generate and then you wait. You will wait so that this app will automatically generate captions, that is transcribe this voice or these words into text for you. And after that, the next thing you need to do is to edit those words because some of them may not be very, very correct. All right, as you can see, it is done. You click done, right? Now it has generated auto caption for all this. As you can easily see it here, whatever is being said is it will be writing it here. Look at it.
Hello, my lovely people. It's your girl, the special of. So we just completed our production yesterday,
You see
and I'm packaging all these.
these.
I'm
See it.
leaving it to our distributors in Festac,
Okay, so
Ajegunle, Apapa.
now you said first tag, but what is written here is Facebook. So what you do, you click here you just click here, click on the right up again. Maybe you just like kind of double click it, and then it will come out here. So this place I said our our distributors in first tag, you can edit it, right? Okay, so after generating the caption, you will now enter into the editing of the captions, and there are maybe two kinds of important editing you can do. You will edit to correct the words that are not well written by the auto generator, and secondly, you can work on the font or the style, writing style, just um, you know, to make the write-up more colorful or change this font size. So that is the two basic editing: to correct the spellings of that are not correctly gotten, and to edit the size and the color. So these are two basic editing after generating the. So you can just click on it like this, and then you can edit this place. This is supposed to be Navy. You correct it and write it in Navy, because we are supposed to just, that's basic editing, Navy, and the other editing is to change the style. To change the style, you still need to touch it like this, and then click on style. You see style here, you open it, you will see font, you see style, you see spacing. So anyone that you want to use, you can use. These are different writing styles you can use, and also the font size. You can select any of them that you like here. Go down, any of them that you like, you can select it, and once you select it here, it will reflect. And then another thing you can also do is, then you are done with this, so you can play around them to until you get what you want. Okay, like this one now that is white, you can make it colorful. So to make it colorful, you have to come to the style. Yeah, you move from font, then come to style. You want to make it colorful, so you can select different colors here, and select different colors here, and select colors. You can see any color of your choice. You can select colors here. So that is it. You get it now. So if you are working on the color, you click on style. If it opens, you will see style. You can see font. So select any of the colors that you want. You can increase the size. So that is the basic editing of the letters. Most times when you see people's video, you will see that you will notice that their video is very colorful, and when they are talking, the write-up is showing. This is basically how to generate it here, but it just by the reason of use, you will really master how some of these things are done. But I'm showing you the basics. So when you are so far you have learned how to import the video, learned how to cut the video, you have learned how to reduce the noise, you have seen how you can generate auto captions, and then how you can even edit the write-ups if they are not correctly written, because some of them will not be correct, so you have to edit it. And then how you can change the font size, change the color, and play around it. And so this is basically the editing that you need. And then when you are done, you will just export it. Before I go into exporting, I want you to understand that if you want to really be creating content, you should not be after editing. There is not every video that you create that you need to edit. So you have to also learn video shooting, to shoot the right way, so that you may not even need editing. Because if you are if you want to give yourself to editing, you might not be able to do enough videos as supposed to do. It's not every video that even need editing, and there are basic editing, which is basically maybe branding your video, so that people know that this video is from your brand, you know. So those, when I will do another video, I will focus on the kind of editing that you need, because as a business owner, you don't really need a lot of editing. What you needed is to shoot your video the right way, you know, to start videoing the right time and end the right time. In that way, you don't even need cutting. So the basic thing you need is might be just to put your brand name on the video, and that's all. You may not even need to put background sound or anything. You may not need that. But there's certain video, maybe marketing video, that you need to really edit. Maybe you want to run ad. So that's when you need to do a basic editing. Why I'm saying it, a lot of people are hindered from making video because they feel that they need to edit video, they need to learn how to edit video. No. People that really do a lot of video content, they don't actually spend time trying to edit their video. People don't care about editing like that. What they really care about is about the message that is in your video. But there are actually some videos that will require you to edit, especially marketing and advertising videos. Okay, so if you are done, what you will now do is you will just want to make sure that this thing is showing. You can actually touch it and drag it the way you want. Make it big, make sure that the right up enter very well. You understand? Are you seeing what I'm doing? You can drag it like this. You can drag it to make sure it's entering very well. So when you are done and everything is okay by you, you can come and click here to actually import on this. To export. Sorry, exporting is the process of you want to download what you have done, and that's all. It will just export. All right. So if you have any question, you can ask me, and I will also, a particular thing you would like to learn specifically, I will make a video and focus only on that. But this is basically how to import, how you basically how you can import, cut, trim, and then export. All right. I will see you in another video.